DMO stands for divided emotion. Why divided emotion? I have a lot of emotions then that I have inside. So how about I divide those emotions and put them through music? So that's why I went with DMO, divided emotions. DMO is a multi-talented artist from West Rand, affiliated to Channel Zero, a movement of a lot of creatives that we actually gel together and just create a lot of music. So DMO is just a multi-talented artist, from being a vocalist to a sound engineer, to post writing. I'm a writer, you know. So DMO is just a multi-talented artist. No box can box me in when it comes to art. It all started in 2010. Actually, when I started to pick up the mic. But at first, I was a poet, so I was in love with a lot of words, man. I've been reading a lot of books, so my vocab made me to actually to be like, let me do this music thing. From there, here I am, doing DMO. It's been a nice journey from being there. From there. What inspires my music is my surroundings, man. Like general issues that I see that relate to me. Like I would watch TV right now and see something that would spark my interest. I'm writing lyric about it. And actually, my music most of the time focuses on love. You know, a lot of things that are happening on love that will interest you because of love consists of love and hate at the same time. So that's when I actually draw my inspiration from. And then I can talk about the media, anything, you know. So my music comes from everything that is around me. The game has changed and the game has grown so much that we have millionaires, man, from our former game. When you look in 2000, hip hop was still a baby in 2000, but look at it right now. People are getting endorsements from hip hop. So the game has changed and the game has grown, and so much that I see a lot of artists have grown too, you know. So that's my perception of the game, that it has grown. My contribution to the game right now and to the future is good music. I'm about to inject a lot of good music to the game. I'm about to change a lot of the wave that is currently in right now. I'm gonna change the direction of the wave. That's my contribution to the game right now. I'm gonna fuck shit up on the game. That's my contribution. Gunning for everything, man. You have to take everything. You have to take what belongs to me. I believe one thing, that this game is for everyone for the taking. If you have what it takes, you will take it. So I'm here for everything. No excuse. I'm here for everything. All the suckers gotta know. I'm here for everything. Closing, I'll say to everyone, just be on the lookout for DMO, be on the lookout for bedroom music, be on the lookout for Motel 26, be on the lookout of my latest music video Listen to My Side. I want to say shout out to Channel Zero for holding me down. Shout out to Swanevi, actually, my hometown at the same time. Shout out to Afro West, and shout out to my family, and shout out to God. Amen.